Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add overlay on CapCut. So guys, at first you have to select the video or photos that you want to edit and then tap on overlay. Tap on add overlay. Now go to stock videos and select the white video, first one. Tap on add. Now tap on blend. Tap on overlay and make sure the duration is full. Now adjust the overlay full screen. And now play the video. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.